In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendar View in Smartsheet. If you've ever wanted a quick visual way to see your work by date, this is a simple and effective feature that turns your sheet into a clean, calendar-based schedule. Start by opening the sheet you want to visualize. Look toward the top of your Smartsheet window. You'll see a row of options and controls. Among them is a drop-down whose label tells you which view you're currently in. For example, it might say Grid, Gantt, or Card, depending on how you last looked at the sheet. That label is your cue that you found the view selector. Click that drop-down. A small menu appears showing the available views for your sheet. From this list, choose Calendar. As soon as you select it, your sheet switches to a calendar layout. There's nothing else you need to configure in this step. Smartsheet does the heavy lifting for you. What you see next depends on the data you already have in the sheet. Calendar View looks for date information in your rows. Most commonly, a start date, an end date, or a single date field. If your sheet includes those date columns and your rows actually contain values, you'll see entries plotted on the appropriate days. Items with a single date land on that day. Items with both a start and an end date stretch across the full span, so you can immediately spot durations and overlaps. If your calendar looks empty, or you're seeing fewer items than expected, that's usually a sign that your rows are missing dates or that the date columns aren't formatted as dates. Make sure your sheet uses real date type columns and that the tasks you want to appear include a valid date range, or at least one date. Also, remember that the calendar typically displays the row's primary details, so clear, concise task names make the calendar easier to scan. The beauty of Calendar View is its simplicity. You're not changing your data or creating a new file. You're viewing the same sheet, just through a time-based lens. It's perfect for reviewing deadlines, planning workloads, or sharing a high-level schedule with stakeholders who prefer a calendar format. That's all there is to it. From your sheet, find the View drop-down at the top, click it, choose Calendar, and let your existing dates do the rest. With just that one change, you get an at-a-glance schedule that keeps everyone aligned and on time.